Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Headspace for kids for mindfulness, full guide step by step clearly. To install Headspace for kids, begin by ensuring you have a compatible device. Headspace is available on both iOS and Android platforms. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Headspace. Look for the official Headspace app in the search results. Once you locate it, tap on the app icon. This will take you to the apps page. On the app page, you will see an Install or Get button. Tap on this button to begin the downloading process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Headspace icon to open the app. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a password. For existing users, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Kids section in the app. Explore the various mindfulness activities and courses designed for children. Select a course that seems interesting for the child. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the course. Encourage the child to engage in the sessions regularly. Monitor their progress and discuss their experiences with them. This will enhance their mindfulness practice and overall enjoyment. Enjoy the journey into mindfulness with Headspace for kids. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.